voltage. So receive an intelligent, talented superstar. The rival of the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, he's spontaneous, he's funny, he's energetic, he's cerebral. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the man of the moment, Funful, the comedian. Hey, it's about to get lit tonight, baby. Hey, I got a sample on set right now. I got DJ Tech, but you not losing up.
It's okay.
Hey.
EFCC, you see what just happened now? I was not a Mongo. Baba, I know say now some comedians as they come, they'll say, Bini, no, full year like this. As if not be you set ticket for them. But actually, I really want to appreciate each and every one of you. It's not really easy. If they tell me say this all go full like this, I don't believe. Because now today, hello, free tickets. Come on, say something. If they tell me say this all go full like this, I don't believe. Now today I call the reason waiting all those haters. They tell me when I flag up this show. As I flag up, they say, "Hey, for small fun, when fun is small, you want to go do show." You know, even see where I use it. Say, "I request." Now me they tell them, they say, "I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me." Now today when around 5 come, I enter or I not see anybody. Around 6, I enter or I not see anybody. Around 7, nobody. Only me want sit down for regular. Cause they sit down, they think, was this really necessary? No, be say I really funny like that too. So now I want to put myself, my family, and senator to shame. As I they think and all these bouncers enter inside for my mind, all this one, you're this to grab it, the problem now. I don't know why I called the Aoga. I say, apart from me, to the one I want really bounce. While preparing for this show, I will explain now bit by bit. I experienced 3 sets of people, which I will explain. The first set of people I experienced, I call them the Euro supporters. This one are people who want to support you for comment session. They'll say, "Baba, do show you don't ripe." They're mad. They did. You this talk, they support you, but one era not there. One person there and not one point. And person will say, "Go bring governor, come and show." Now free ticket it enter. One guy actually called me now for January. He said, "Baba, Funful, that your show now, may I be?" I said, "Yes." He said, "No, you worry, I deal with you." February, I call him. He said, "Baba, May 30th, Abi." I said, "Yes." He said, "No worry, I deal with you." March, Rich, I call him. He said, "Baba, you don't trust me. I deal with you." April, Rich, I call him. He said, "Hey, boy." I said, "Baba, you don't fight again. I'm not smart to now the guy shocked." Nah. Yeah, I thought they fast, though. This time, he tell me, say, "I deal with you," but the day with you changed. Wait till I hear now. I deal with you, Sha. First week of May, I call him, the guy not pick. Second week of May, I call him, phone switch off. Now last week, now I go yes, I see the door lock. Now I ask people, where this guy? They say, "No, they stay there again." Now I say, "Where he called it?" They say, "Not there anywhere. He died last week." I don't know why I tell them, I say, "Not keep anything away from me." Yeah, I experienced a lot of people. The second set of people I experienced, they break down for now. I call them the labor sponsors. This one are people who want to sponsor your show, but they don't get money. You know those kind of people for family. If they want to do burial, they don't donate for bag of rice, they don't donate for cow, but when it comes to tearing of firewood, they want to sponsor me, but no money. You know, say for shows like this, we they get sponsors, whether individual, whether companies like this, my show now, if they see different sponsors, that's my CEO Club Raptor. Yes, CEO Club True Day. CEO Timeless, yes. My father, Ebel Stone. All my CEO John Best, I know they soon aware. All of them, these are people who sponsor this show. And you know, say as they sponsor this show now, will they recognize them? I even they put their picture for year. But I know say for this Benin, get some brand who not they really they recognize them. Who not they recognize their CEO, which is wrong. How many of them know say people when you get mortuary, they be CEO? people when you get orphanage home, they be CEO. Now you can imagine say that they recognize those set of people. What you all see now? That's the CEO, fast rising mortuary. Hey, the man was put Nigerian mortuary on the map. I see you. Hey, hola. As someone can say, that's the CEO, Evergreen Orphanage Home. The man went on, they use people, children play. Now, my problem with this set of people now, God just imagine, say, this mortuary now, they call it sponsor shows. But before I go there, just imagine, say, for show like this, see all these people when they spray me. CEO of a mortuary, they spray you, my brother, and I die, you do. Just go imagine now, say that they sponsor show. If you put my show now, you'll see I'm my biggest sponsor now, ODS. ODS Entertainment, present. Now, if as a guy like this now, you give me 50 million and you sponsor me, that's your name. God forbid, your name. Sponsor, you understand? Just go imagine, says mortuary now, you could give you 100 million. You could see fast rising mortuary, present, Funful, God forbid. They can never sponsor me. Let's use a more mature brand. Fast rising mortuary, present. The Senator Comedy shut down. The living edition. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you very much. I'm not still paying your balance. So. Show you the scene like that. Now, that one won't even good. Just go imagine now, say, orphanage home. Orphanage home good, safe. Because at least, not be bad thing. You know what I understand? Orphanage home now, you'll be like NGO. You get one way you actually reach out to me. But wait till they say me I do, I not fit do, and they call me. Hello, is this Funful? We say, yes, we saw your show, we want to sponsor you. Sponsor you with 10 million. I got happy. Now they ask me, so what will you give us back in return? I say, yes, to the glory of the Lord. With all my social media platforms, I can advertise your show and also create like an NGO for people to donate. Now they tell me, if na money be our problem, we'll give you 10 million. Now I say, so what's the problem? They say, money there, just that we lack children. He says, so far we have been able to cash 10. If you donate 10, give us maybe 20. Now that I think no say that kidnapper be one sponsor my show. Hey, hola, no jokes. Yes, I talk about labor sponsors. I don't want more to know what these sponsors they do for show. These are people when people say they want to sponsor you but no money. Want to reach out to me now. The guy say, no, you're worried for this your show. Forget about sponsorship. I'll sponsor. I can't get pride. Even my CEO, he called the wonder why I never CEO club raptor. He called the wonder why I never give him sponsorship table. Now that guy give me mad. He even come and say, hello, Funful. This is almost a month to your show. You have not given me sponsorship table. Now me they tell him, say, young man, calm down. You're not the first to sponsor somebody. Now club, you not be God. 2 weeks to the show, now the guy flash me. Person will say, want sponsor me. I call him back. He said, my cousin for your house. I reach the house. Now the guy boss cry. I said, Pa, what's happening? You want to sponsor me? He said, he don't see many things for this life. May I pass stop crying? I said, may I buy a small start? Now if I go buy a small start, the guy called relax. He said, Shebi, I know say he get 2 children, twins. I said, no. He said, yes, now they recently come back from Ghana, they be bouncer. So anything about bouncing for my show, my you leave on. And I said, no, sir, bouncers not be issue. Bouncers full beneath. The issue now money. Now I say, Baba, money not be everything. Ghana bounce, I don't bounce your show before. And I say, He said, this my children, so you know if he pay them, they find them for Ghana. I say, why? He said they beat organizer of event because the guy they constitute New Zealand, they are that competent. And I said, so what I'll do? He said, only wait till you do my give them food that they like Indomie well. We are shocked now. Verse come out. We are shocked me as I come this evening. I see the 2 boys for outside. They not let me enter. I said, now my show comedy masterpiece. They say if I not go get ticket now, they'll beat me to pieces. Not be clear. I take get 2 regular tickets. Yeah. Before I continue, I just remember I say, Percy, bring picture for me. Where the person? Where? Percy, bring picture for me. It is a year na Davido concert. And I say, PA, give him 2 million. Oh, now you. What will I do for you now? So, Baba, you really rate me, oh. You know, say some of my last, now you see this show, now they see progress. I see depth.
Not too much.
Afana. No matter now. We'll see now. You're wait, we'll talk. And if people not free, not give me, they go, I'll see you later. Correct guy. We'll talk, you advertise your brand, you know that stand? Also with the help of promise. Yes, before I continue, I would like to acknowledge the presence of my parents, my biological parents. I'm going to clap for my mom and pa. No say when I small, my mommy say my problem be say I too they talk. Now the problem now every people come out like this, so fear mama. Mama say anytime you see my banner for Benin, go they cover around with the blood of Jesus. Now you make people not see that banner. Wicked woman. Yeah, daddy, anxiety. You don't see the other two they recognize man. God bless the day you two came together and do whatever you gotta do in a cave. You understand that? Yeah, no jokes. I dey tell people say I not be fair for this life because I get many people when they pray for me. As you see me now, I've got 3 parents. That's my biological parents. I've also got my spiritual parents. They're not there yet. Pastor and Pastor Mrs. God, Yamuzi, anywhere on a day, God will bless you now. Church people, thank you. You know what I stand? You, they say you come. Then my 3rd parents, this one, I wonder which one be this. I don't look for all the name, now I call them career parents. What if be career parents? This one, people when you tell me, say, what do you want to do? I say comedy. They say, as far as we are alive, you must succeed. That's the person of Mr. and Mrs. Kevin Okwezi, the senator family. Please, a round of applause for them. When I know senator, Mrs. Senator, they are around. Oh, career mommy, not meet biological mommy. But it's fine. We'll see later. Yeah, I started comedy 2020. But Grace found me 2023 when I won the Senator Comedy Challenge, when they give me 1 million. People that time called, they tell me, say I was a millionaire. Ladies and gentlemen, I was never a millionaire. The first day they give me 1 million, Access Bank remove 15 naira. So you can imagine, I'm a panel even help issue. As I win the money, and I say, you're called vigilante, they call the shoot gun for our compound. And they ask them why I say for protection. Every day they buy bullet. When money finish, now you see tell the vigilante that they go say that God the safe person.
Come myself,
Baba Mona, yeah, no jokes. And I tell people, whether you like it or not, yeah, whether you like it or not, yeah. Brother, when they try, this is my biological brother in Macon. You know what I stand? Thank you very much. You carry your 1 bundle coin, it's fine. I know, say I give you.
Nasra.
Okay, may I recognize you? That's my brother, friend. Baba, Mona, yeah, and they tell people, comedy is should be one of the most celebrated crafts because you get why? Now follow come. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to become a footballer today, you know sabi play ball, relax. I can take you to a football academy. In less than 2 years, you sabi play ball or more than. If you want to become a caterer, you know sabi cut onions, relax. I can take you to a catering school, you're good. Okay, you want to say that one not be talent. Let's talk about talent. If you know sabi sing, portable, vomit, sweet, pass your voice, relax. I can take you to a music school. In less than 2 years, you don't know the rudiments of music, all the keys, intonation, transpose, modulation. You don't know music. You sing like Wizkid. But the last time I checked, I've never seen a comedy school. You just gather people that will pay you to teach them not to be serious. It don't make sense. Now, you call imagine say comedy school day. For Nigeria, you call the see different comedy school. You go Lagos, you see spontaneous comedy secondary school. They also be the proprietor of that school. They'll say, Ali Baba, they'll say, carry your children, go that side, they'll funny way. You go Lagos, you see hilarious comedy secondary school. They also be the principal of that school. They'll say, Bovy, they'll say, carry your children, go that side, they'll funny way. You come Benin, wait till the end, a talent-owned comedy secondary school. They also be the principal of that school. Person will say, Porcupine. Another person from Park will say, no carry your children, go there, or they'll collect your motto. of una will not get that joke, in case you don't know. I once won a car, but they collect them back. When I win that car, now I tell know who friends really be. As I win that car, now so people, they say, I tap into your grace. Now so they send me fuel. I'll be the first to buy you fuel. Send me fuel money. Total fuel money when I got that evening was 250,000. Ladies and gentlemen, when they collect the car, and I know say some of my guys see meet me say, may I return their fuel money? I said, no, you don't give me this money for fuel. They say, as they don't collect the motor, you want to drink the fuel? And the funniest part, now the fact say before they collect that motor, I don't do all my papers. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm the only guy who get complete car papers with no car. And for you to know, so what they talk now, even police from my area know. If I dey waka, they stop me for checkpoint. Park where your papers. I'll show one driver license, okay, particulars. I show one they say, why you get tinted permit? Why you tint your glass? Now I stand. I be celebrity. I like privacy. I don't want make people they too see me. Now the policeman look me. You don't want make people they too see you. Not be you be this. You pay me pass and I know say as I dey come this evening, police stop me. They say my papers don't expire. If I not renew, I might not pass there tomorrow. We are telling no say problem go there for that competition. Now the money of the competition, my guy, you call me. Hello, Funful. You did that competition, Popular Talent? I say yes. They say, on a card pass our area 2 times this morning. Oh. I say, no, now, what do you mean? He said, no, but they even carry one passenger for front just now. Now I say, no, that is our grand prize. They never avail yet as I dey talk. Now I say, the card pass again, they put plantain on top. Oh. As the partner say, who you see the driver? He say, you not see the person well, but the person carry dread. Baba, Mona, yeah. That period I was down. Why? Because I don't tell people, say, I don't win car. I mean not to tell, now my mommy talk. And waiting pay me. Because that time, I think to the end, say, I don't wake up one morning, I go bath. I forget, say, I never put cloth. Now, my mom even calls on. Now, so I say, I win. He said, go do Thanksgiving. I said, Mommy, more waste more. He said, no more, thank God, fast. Bring something from your pocket that will pay you. And they pay me to today. Now, by big drum. Now, can I go church? We do Thanksgiving. We go out. After 1 week, they collect the motto. Now, go meet pastor. Pastor so called, they advise me. Say, my son, don't worry. That car was not destined to be yours. No, you worry. A greater height is coming for you. That car was not destined to be yours. What did I say? That car was not destined to be yours. After I told him, I said, thank you, sir. Weigh my ram. Now I say, which ram? I said, ram now. I bring country. He said, I thought you brought it for Thanksgiving. I said, yes. I thought the car was destined to be mine. Yeah, but no hard feelings, though. Yeah, it's fine. Because I live there. They count people when they don't get cars or count me. Unlike this guy. I'm not a prophet, but I know so you never get car. You understand? Don't let it get to you. Forget what this lady they tell you. You understand? I was once like you. Don't worry. God went to my own. Go do your own. Who said God forbid? Hey, Baba, there is no way I would do a show without talking about the country. No. Country don't hard. Thank God, say God, now God. If not, on the last day, God for not remember this country. Because, yes, like the country leader, they touch you. Because the country, all the country for this world gets script. God create the script, create the country. For our own now, he create good soil, mineral resources, intellectual gifts, everything. He create them. Now on the last day like this, you'll see on the judgment day, God, they arrange all the country for queue. America, stay this side. Australia, stay this side. Venezuela, stay this side. Go reach Africa. South Africa, stay this side. Ghana, stay this side. What if that country where they try now for Africa? Burkina Faso, stay this side. Go courage the end, go see Nigeria. Might check if na me create am. You go check the script. Okay. Good mineral resources, everything. As you look the place full and yes, man. Go look again. Boko Haram. Nigeria Gabriel. Oh, come. How many times I don't want to know they create country for my back? country in Africa. Say, this must be the handwork of the devil. Go call devil for me. Then, what did I call him? Angel Gabriel call on, go stand for front of a fire. Devil, that one say, waiting. God, they call you. Hey, God, they call me. Go call on, come. As you reach where God, they go say, Daddy, sir. God will say, how many times I don't feel when you may know they call me Daddy? You go stand there. Yeah, na devil. Sorry, sir. God will call ask him. Country, why I create Nigeria? Why you spoil land like this? Good natural resources. Check the plan. Intellectual intelligence, everything. No natural disaster. I give them everything. Why you spoil land like this? Devil not talk. Not be you had the thought to. Devil say, not be only me. Oh. Say how many of them now? Me and my guys. Name them. Buhari. Wike. I know so many of them now, the way me I measure Tinubu, not be one do after party for inside jail. Yeah. God will say, okay, where are they now? I want to judge everybody. God will say, the Biyoko greet me for fire small before he reach their tongue. Good. Enter inside the Jamaica, lock the gate of here. Now so you go, yo, be. Gone are those days when country good. People were philanthropic in nature. That time, ask people, not be all these Gen Z, ask millennials. Those days, if they see person, you start to craze for public. People went there around the cash on. Because you start to craze. Am I lying? Like stay around craze people well, no. Though cash on, can I go psychiatric? Then after they don't well, they ask, did you remember any number? Did you remember? They'll call the parents. The woman will say, where say oh, it's a low, where say oh, go carry picking. But now nobody really send you for year. We are for shock. Person for our front, you're crazy. Not be say crazy, so it crazy slowly. All of us they look on. For urban market, we all day. The guy your fair come, push it with the look on, pull trousers with the look on, pull shoe with the look on, pull bossers. Now he run come on. The thing pay me. Now ask one man near me. I say, "Pa no vessel." The man the grandson, no vessel. This man you're crazy slowly for our front run come on. Why we not hold on? Now I say, I beg carry your wallet, go that side. I not well. Man not go bat you. Now I say, oh. Now that I think no say not be everybody really well for the country. Like I think no say many people they wear cloth, many people they craze, now few they put cloth. Gone are those days when people they philanthropic in nature. Those days like this, if you dey outside, you will not know road again. You dey lost. You never need to tell person. Person will come meet you. Excuse me, you look lost. You say yes, I'm going to Recrest. All right, I'll walk down by the end of the street, left, go down one upstairs. You they say, no, I don't understand. Say, don't worry. You go live here, they go or waiting, they do go show you. That was then. Now, everybody, you're going to be like suspect. We are for shock. Me, I they go somewhere, I use boat. I they use my map. I don't confuse. Now I say, man, ask this woman when they near me. I say, I reach where the woman there. I say, good afternoon, man. Now the woman jump. Good afternoon. Shift. Now I say, sorry, man, I'm looking for. He say, they that side. Now I say, I never tell you where they go. I'm looking for Corway Street. He say, they that side now. Now I start to go that side. I waka, I reach the end. Now close, no place to pass. I don't know where I want to go. The place all locked. Now I see one man. Now I say, man, ask the man. Now I say, good afternoon, sir. Now the man, good afternoon, dress. Now I say, no verse. Somebody directed me. I was looking for. He said, did that side. Now I say, wait, man, I tell you where I go. I'm looking for Corway Street. He said, he did that side. Now I say, no, you cannot tell me say he did that side. Person for that side, tell me say he did this side. Now I say, why you call they ask me? Now I say, because road block for you. Now I say, he did that side now. No joke. Gone are those days when people were philanthropic in nature. That time, beggars, even they gain them. For road like this, person they go work, go see beggar, go drop something, go pass. If they come, go drop something, go pass. I know of a beggar. That time when country go, he beg, use and build house, reach roofing level for how she. If they beneath the beg, project they go on for how she. The guy see the ring road now, no. If you use the waka, the pass and go say, bros, find me small thing now. If you not mind, I go say, carry your wala, go that side. I'm not small. My house there roofing level. That was then when the country good. Yesterday, I see two small children. All those outside children, they complain now. One say, people, you're called stingy. Now the other one say, people not stingy in our country hard. Now our forefathers really gain out for this business. Now why they pay me if I they look people, they talk say, Nigerians are too adaptive to changes. Government go increase fuel price, increase data subscription, bag of everything, full stuff. All of us will say we'll feel survive. No. Nigerians has always been known for people of really resilient. They look me as if you know. Correct me now if you get mad. You know understand? People of hold on. You know understand? People when not go school, they say the boy they try now, baba. I'll take it again. Nigerians are known for people that are resilient, correct? They know they could adapt to changes like that. Now, we Gen Zs, for you to know, as far back as 2000, a bag of rice was sold for 2,000 naira. Dollar to naira, approximately 105 naira. And a liter of fuel was sold for 20,000. Yet, Africa, China, CISAN, food did not day. Brothers, CISAN, they are not a singer. And our country now good, though. Hold on. That one, I went everywhere, every good, though. As far back as 2004, Idris Abdul Karim, that time, what did they call him? Bag of rice. Serious people, when they born 2005, they say, this guy is so historical. Bag of rice was sold for 4,400. I think that time. Dollar to naira was about approximately 135 naira, and a liter of fuel was sold for 50 naira. Yet, Idris Abdul Karim sang everywhere, Nigeria, jaga, everything is scatter, poor man, they suffer. Go something at the air. That time, Fulani may never ever come out. Now, we country don't add, we need to sing all those kind of songs. Our leaders, they know, say, what did they do wrong? What did they hear? Naskra. Carry the money, Rikashon bita, carry one baby nut. After they don't sing down, finish the cut top and I'm a pen they carry, they go. I'm a pen. That's how our leaders so you see me they go like that. No jokes. Where you tell no say country don't now why I like Oyibo value life. If our leaders, okay, more just do like this. If our leaders value life, may our leaders just go to the streets, may they see the poor masses, the way they think they live, they get value for life, though they do well. If you're now Oyibo gathering now, one Oyibo woman, you're there back with the dog. A dog, you're faint. Dog, go wait till the end. Who is the doctor here? Who is the doctor here? Who is the doctor here? Before you know it, 3 doctors all come and say, we had the card. Wait till the end. My name is Hillary Clinton, a veterinarian, Jamestown Veterinary Hospital, New York. As that one they talk, another one come and say, my name is Bill, which name I want to use? Bill, Bill Clinton, also a medical practitioner, veterinary medicine. Fall out. Before you know, they don't do some paramedics activities. Make the dog for stay alive before they rush and go hospital. But if the dog can get some respiratory difficulties, enough he breathe, they'll do surgical operation for there. You call the year, is there any sharp object here? Person don't bring knife, person don't bring scissors, they'll cut the esophagus, go bring out the trachea, come and send me for breathe to Abi. They nod your head as what I talk correct, Agba, surgeon. I agree to you until come out there, this guy they cut neck, dress. Where your potato say we Nigerians will not care about each other. As these 2 guys they here now, they'll be friends with this guy, you'll vomit. You know, say for this guy to tell us, say, are you okay? What's the issue? You go, your jump. Baba now, have fun now. Hola. The only thing where we Nigerians care about each other, especially men, narration. Yeah, you tell us in direction. If these 2 men now just they discuss, this one they suffer, they tell them for you, Baba, they quick come. 5 men from back will not be doctor, not be conductor, not be native doctor, you're wakapa. Baba, you don't try dirty water and mango seed. I know the worst part, that guy will not try. And I said, that one, no, they work for elderly people, try bitter cola and anything. And those guys, they talk about some men, they write them down. Yes, no jokes. When they talk about the country, another thing we will still need to repair for this country now the policing system. Not say joke be like class. The policing system. We need to correct and you know say for some time now people, youth they complain about police harassment, all this and that, stuff like that. And we don't cry to the government, nothing they happen. If they all see young boy when dress well, na criminal. But I have the perfect solution to it that will bring it down or to the lowest minimum. All what we need to do is to create a force that will monitor the police. Now, let's give that force a name. Let's call it like police monitors. We'll call them PM. As police, they wear black. This one, they wear white. Now, what is the job of the PM? First, to arrest police. Second, to check police van paper. As police, they drive their van, they come, they park. Where your paper? I'll show the paper. Stolen van. Which division? They'll say upper. No. This van belongs to Oredo division, thunderstorm. People are under arrest. As DPO, they say, please, now, I beg, now. Another PM will say, in fact, submit all your guns. They'll submit their guns. Where's the receipt of these guns? I'll say, we know. No, you're under arrest. So police will call the beg, more found and small thing there. Wait till police, they do us, PM will call to them. After wait till we'll give them a beg now. PM will call say, "Mona, give us 300,000. Police will say, no, nah, 10,000 we get. And say, 10,000? PM officers, arrest police officers. You see like that, you go, they regulate. That time, you call one Yahoo boy, go, you're the right motor, you're the blow, they come. As you already show police, the police will say, stop. Where your papers, you're showing. Show me your phone. My officer come, my brother won't be PM, and I'll know today. Police will say, I beg now, I never reach like that. But we have problem go there, and when problem come, maybe they call the rob for the area. And so you call police. Hello, police. Hey, I beg go, they rob for our area. They rob for our area. Police will say, hey, no, they shot. Now, but na cousin, PM don't collect our gun. They say, we'll not register them. They say, I beg, just find you want to come. Those ones are your vest. In fact, no, but they use PM till they threaten us. When I go call PM now, you call the phone. Then that time you not get option that will call police monitors. You call the PM. Hello, PM, oh, they rob for our area. PM say, who they rob? Police. You say, no, kidnappers. Say, that's not our job. Me. Don't call the call. And now, because of the way the country they are, where poverty can increase. But before I talk about that poverty, I'll let you know, say, even self, all these police, they try. Yes, more talk true, even though say some bad eggs inside. When I know say get some policemen, family man, the parents, he get wife, he get children. Yet, his salary should be 120K. Now, wife go ask him for money for food stuff. Landlord go ask him for rent. Pikin go ask him for school fees. He go look in first pocket, naughty day. Look in hand, gone. Look front, Yahoo boy. If now you wait till you do. You know, say that time because they see, nothing even really did this robbery business. So those guys, they try. But will not feel justify the art. Now, why poverty for the land can increase? Poverty for the land can increase. Now, for you to know, say, if you know, say, get a person who poor rich, you call it very calculative and very, very, very structured. You target your ways. Where you for no, you don't see the person when they give quick notice, the way they park come up for us. Very calculative. No say now, if you don't build your house, you go meet your landlord. If I don't build house, don't say congratulations. Your neighbors will ever join you park. If they give you quick notice, you will use sense. Very calculative. In the morning, you first see the man, the road bucket. You think say you want to go fetch water, and I go there. Around 12, you can see the wife, you go carry broom and packer. You think say you want to go throw away dirty. You think say you want to go throw away dirty. You know, saying that properties, they move from one estate to another. In the evening, you can see the sun, you can carry big bag. You think say they go night class. You know, saying that bed when they fold into 32 places, 90 inside. Where you're for shock, now when you say, maybe you go greet them, they don't dark. Maybe after 2 weeks, you never hear from them. As you reach the door, you knock, you no answer. You knock, you no answer. You call the name, Papa Ejiro, the room go reply you back. Papa Ejiro, Jiro, they are gone. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'll do this one and I leave. Yeah, anything went out this BD guy take day. Because of poverty, now why the rate of crime even increase. If you see Yahoo for Bini, hook up for Bini, don't have to the other state. One hook up enter Lagos, gets done, they claim out, nobody know. Hook up enter Abuja, claim out, nobody know. As hook up enter Bini gets saying, they hook up in Nama, way to the highest level. We are for shock now when the other one hook up get from Bini to Lagos. The girl says she want to use flight. Now don't go give her money for flight. And I know say as the girl they go, this morning we hear say she get accident for her. She break leg. Now they come. They say, why you get accident for her? You break leg. Not be you saying that flight you use for not to fear Benin girls. This girl see the now. Saying that flight they use now, they aeroplane for. Where the aeroplane now? He said they don't tow one. But the boys home, the old boys for Benin, if you go Lagos, they'll do one, they'll clean out. Go Abuja, do one for clean out. Benin this very confident. Benin go you put trouser for here, wear singlet. They waka, they go for road, put gold for neck. The ones who get mad, go hold laptop, they talk. Not be Taiwan, na Singapore. Where you for no say what they talk na true. That's where they interview like maybe they interview people, boys. They ask them what they do. One Benin boy called inside. They ask the first one, what do you do for a living? They don't say I'm a lawyer, but before I went to law school, I did tailoring, so I also have a tailoring shop. They ask the other one, they don't say I'm a barber, I have barbering shop. They'll reach the Benin boy, what do you do for a living? Full confidence. They say I be out boy and I get 3 years. I help boys for all of them, maybe they collect.